Whether you are looking to create an image for social media profiles, prepare materials for an important presentation, or simply wish to remove an element from a photo for a cleaner look, there is a straightforward and efficient method available to help you remove the background from any image. PGBuy is a web application, which means no installation is required. As it operates within a web browser, this allows you to use it on both your computer and phone, regardless of which operating system you are using. All you need to do is visit the link provided in the video description. Click on the segment that says "Click, drag and drop or paste to upload an image or video," and select the image from which you want to remove the background. Once you upload the image, the application will start working and will apply several different methods to remove the background. Each method will yield slightly different results, so it's the best to review all the outcomes to find the one that suits you best. You can do this by clicking on the name of the background removal methods located on the right side of the photo. After you find the solution you like the most, click Download button to save the image. In this comparative example, you can see the result of the application. On the left side is the original photo, and on the right side is the image after background has been removed. As you can see, the entire process is quite simple and fast. Removing the background from an image, which previously required hours of work in tools like Photoshop and similar software, can now be done with minimal effort in just a few seconds. In addition to removing backgrounds from images, this tool allows you to remove backgrounds from videos. However, the video cannot be longer than 10 seconds, and unlike images, you will not be able to obtain results for multiple background removal methods at once. You will have to go through different methods one by one and find the one that suits you best. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.